Well, hello again, wonderful people of the internet. Today we're going to be going over a project called the Simple Animator project that I'm starting. The reason that I'm starting it here is that I want something that I can use to learn the Processing 4.2 framework, and then B, I want kind of wrapper classes for things like rectangles that can do very basic things like, I don't know, remember their position history, record and play back their position history. So what does that actually look like? Let's take a look. So here we have our little rectangle that we can move about with WASD. We can also drag it around. And the functionality that I've added here, basically, if you hit the R key on the rectangle, you can see that it's turned red. So what that indicates is that it's in recording mode. And if I kind of move it about again and, and drag it around, if I hit the R key, that says, hey, I've saved all the state into this position history. And if I hit the R key again, we're going to get a playback of those movements. So that's pretty interesting right now. This is a position history. It's not like all of the state of the rectangle. So eventually I do want to have more of the state encapsulated, like the size and the color and, all the different, pieces of state that you might wish to have in a rectangle. So that's basically it for now. All of this logic is basically in the rectangle class. Eventually I do want to move that up to something like a shape class. If you want to play around with code, you can look in the description of this video, and I will post a GitHub link to all of the code that you can play around with and fork and, add functionality to if you wish. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks. Have a good one.